If you are new to the crypto space, this is the most important wallet you should be having if you are coming into the crypto space, and especially if you are buying meme tokens, you need to have the PeniWallet. Now with this wallet, you can send tokens effortlessly across many wallets in one go. Okay, so I'll walk you through on how to get started. Stick with me to the end of this video. I'll show you something that is very important for you. All right, so you need to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and install the wallet on your device. Okay, once that is done, install it, then you need to open the wallet. Now this is very, very important. You don't want to miss out on it. Okay, so very slick. Okay, now this wallet is the official wallet of the SMC DAO and also Wikicat. Okay, Wikicat wallet. All right, so you need to create your new wallet. You need to create your new wallet. Okay, I'm going to create a new wallet. I'm not going to import. I'll just create, and I'll put in a new password. Okay guys, this is the best wallet for you to start buying meme tokens. So if you're buying meme tokens, this is the best wallet that you need to start using right now. And also you can use it for giveaways using your biometrics. Once your biometrics, you've created your wallet. Now you're going to save your seed phrase. Okay, so don't just think your seed phrase, you can save your recovery phrase right there. Now you can see Wikicat is already here directly. So this is Wikicat. I'm going to change it from PeniWallet to let's say 1000 buy. So I'm going to be changing it. I'm going to change the name of the wallet to 1000x buy. So I'll be using this wallet to buy tokens that are going to do 1000x. Okay, that's massive. All right, so there's a lot of things you can do here. Okay, so we're going to switch over to my seed phrase. I'm going to save my seed phrase. Now you need to make sure you save your seed phrase. Write it down somewhere that is very, very safe. Okay, write it in 3 or 5 places and keep it safe. Now on this wallet, you can see Wikicat is here, USD Tether is here, and the BNB token is here. Okay, it's built on the Binance BNB chain. Okay, what you know as the Binance Smart Chain is the BNB chain. Okay, you can do a lot of swapping here. So you can buy Wikicat token directly on this. I have a video about how to buy Wikicat. Okay, after this video you can watch it. And you can also do a spray party. This is where if I want to do a giveaway on with Wikicat, I will just create a party name for it. Let's say I'm going to name it whatever name I name it, and I'm going to put the amount of guests I want to be part of it, and I'm going to put the amount of tokens I want to give every guest. Okay, and I'll choose the token I want to put there, and it will have a password. Okay, so once you have the password, you're going to receive the amount. Perfect for giveaway. You can also join a giveaway once you have their code. Okay, you can join a giveaway. You can use it to build your own community, build your own group. As long as people have the code, they can get it in your WhatsApp group or your Telegram channel. That's it. So this is beautiful. On the setting page, you can create more wallets inside of this by the manage wallet. You can create and add new wallets. Okay, you can also import your trust wallet into this place. All right, so there's a lot of things you can do, and it's referral based. Okay, so this is my referral. I'm going to drop it right here for you to use. Once you get this wallet, please don't forget to use my referral code. Okay, you can add my referral code right here on add referral, and that's just it. Okay, so you get, there's a giveaway for those of you who use the referral code. Okay, you qualify for the giveaway from PeniWallet. For them to put a referral, that means it's incentivized. Okay, it's an incentive way of encouraging people to get the wallet. All right, so that is my code. I'll drop it right here. This is very, very good, especially if you are buying Wikicat, Crave token, a lot of these tokens that are really on, that are being supported. Okay, you need to have this wallet. You need to really have this wallet. Very, very important that you have this wallet. I'll leave my referral code for you to go through it. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn notification bell, join my communities. I'll leave everything in the description and the comment section. I'll catch you on my other videos. Let's keep making money buying the real tokens.